Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a subdomain on Hostinger web hosting and then how to install WordPress on that subdomain. So basically Hostinger is one of the top rated platform and providing domain and hosting. As you can see, the pricing is very low. Also it has a dedicated web hosting for WordPress websites, and now in these days due to Christmas they have some special offers also. So if you want to create your website, you can go to hostinger.com and can buy a domain and hosting. So I already have domain and hosting there. Once you buy domain and hosting, then you will have to log into your account. So I'll log in first and will show you how we can create a subdomain and how to install WordPress on that subdomain. So after login, you will see your dashboard, and I am using my client's credentials, so I'll click manage here. And you will see this list of your hosting. So there is already a web hosting here, so I'll click manage. And now this is the C panel, or you can say control panel, from which we can control our website. We can create subdomain, add-on domains, and then we can install WordPress on it. So basically this is the main domain on which we already have a website and we don't want to lose it. So for creating a new website, I'll create a subdomain and then we'll install WordPress on that subdomain. As you can see, the main domain here is this one. So to create a subdomain, just scroll down and inside domain section you will see subdomains. So click on that. Now write a name for the subdomain. Now I'm creating this from one of my clients, so I'll write her name and then the main domain.com. If you hover this, you will see creating a subdomain will create a new folder. Now if you want to give that folder a specific name, then you can check this box. So again I can write that name or can leave this and just click create. So this will start creating the subdomain, and now as you can see, this subdomain has created and the directory is this one. Okay, so that is how you can create a subdomain. Now if you visit this, then you will see nothing because this domain doesn't have any data. So let's close this and let's go back to dashboard. Now we will install WordPress on their domain. So scroll down and go to website section, and here you will find auto installer, and this will help us to install WordPress. So click on auto installer. Now here you can choose any platform like Joomla, WordPress and others. So let's select WordPress, and now you can give it a description. Also you will need to choose the domain, so I'll choose the subdomain we created, and this is the subdirectory, so leave this blank because we want our website directly on this domain, not in a subdirectory. Choose this to overwrite existing files, so that is okay. Here write an administration username and a password through which you will log into your dashboard. Write an email and a website title, so I'll call it this because this is her personal website. I can choose language here, and from this choose the create new database. Now this is some basic information, and you can turn off auto updates or you can update only to minor version, so this dependent on you. Then simply click install, and this will start installing WordPress on that subdomain. And once the installation completed, you will see the WordPress installation on your subdomain, as you can see here. So let's check this. And now as you can see, this is the website title and the tagline and a default WordPress post, which shows that WordPress is installed on this subdomain. Now if you create a new website and you want to put a coming soon page or site and a construction page, then I already have a video on that, you can watch that. Now to customize this further, you will need to log into your dashboard and can install a theme and plugin. So this video was just about how to create a subdomain and then how to install WordPress there. Hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next